Well, my little brother blew up my microwave last night, so we're gonna scrap it and we're gonna see what's the most you can get out of a microwave. Now I know that there is a magnet in here that I can't wait to get out because it's one of the strongest magnets you can find without spending a bunch of money. So I'm gonna get the magnet out. You know, all the wires. We're gonna see what the inside of a microwave looks like. So let's just get on screwing. Well, this is what we're left with. This is most of the screws, but they're so small that I keep losing them. They keep running away. So, you got about this many screws, a hinge that I really don't want to keep. Like, I think this is a lithium battery, which means I'm probably just going to leave it alone, because I know those do sell for a different price. These are the magnets I was talking about. I'm not too sure how to get to. So, you'll probably see me just smashing this thing apart. These CPU boards are really good to do the rag method with. So we can just do that real quick. I bought a new hammer just for this, so. Okay, let's try that again. I don't know, there's not really a lot in here. I don't even know what to look for and what to keep. I mean, scrapping CPU boards, like obviously there's gold in them. Maybe that's not so obvious, I guess. But there is real gold in CPU boards, and you know, when you keep a bunch of them, it's like worth it, but I just don't think it's worth it because I don't know. Gold's not my thing. Really, my thing is just steel. This has got to be copper, I think, because it's in tape. I think that's how that works. Yeah, right. Okay. There we go. I mean, these little spools add up. Like, I can't really take it in like that, but I can take in a bunch of them, you know what I mean? I mean, scrapping microwaves aren't the most common thing, but, I mean, that doesn't mean it doesn't happen. Like, I've scrapped microwaves before. I've just never really gotten into them and cut them apart, so I'm kind of learning a bit here. Then we've got these CPU boards too. I guess this is the same one. I'm just gonna throw it in there for now. God, my device. I think I'm going to start saving this metal because I'm pretty sure it pays more than shred steel. That's annoying. All my sockets are out. Might want to move that. Well, we got everything up. We found our copper. I actually think it's aluminum. I don't think it's even copper. Yep. It's not even copper. But, I mean, still, it's worth, you know, the money. I don't even know what that is. Here we go. Hey! I love these things. This is what I used to keep on my trailer. Because it's way more powerful magnet than that one. I think there's actually 2 in here. Hold on. Oh, there's copper in there. Let's see. We got half of one. Oh, there's the other half. Okay. I think that the microwave breaking might have been just because this broke in half, to be honest. But now we got 3 magnets from this microwave. Magnets are so useful because you can tell when something's steel or aluminum. And that determines how much you're going to get paid, so. Come on. How do I get in here? Okay. I'm going to get in here and we're going to see how much copper is left and then we're done. There we go. Okay. This is... Oh, I don't even need to cut it. This is copper. There we go. Well, that's how to scrap a microwave. This is what we ended with. It wasn't the right way. Wasn't fun at all. I hated it. If I were to do it again, I would do it the quick way and go to the side, bash it open, grab these out, obviously get the wire, and then honestly probably call it there. I wouldn't have done as much as I did if I wasn't recording and I was trying to be fast. Now we got some sealed, we have 3 sealed units from the freezers, dryer motor, a washer motor, and a lamp motor. So those are going to be fun to take apart. Stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. Those will likely be in the next video. Have a good one.